Hey everyone, Chef Ryan here from the Growing Chefs Ontario Classroom Kitchen, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a pesto chicken salad sandwich. This recipe is perfect for packing for your school lunches. To make this recipe, we're going to start with 2 cups of cooked diced chicken. You can use chicken breasts or thighs or legs, whatever you prefer. This recipe is a great way to use up leftover chicken. To my diced chicken, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of mayo. Next, I'll add in 3 tablespoons of pesto and a small handful of cherry tomatoes. You can use as many as you'd like. I'll give that a quick stir and add my salt and pepper. I have some freshly baked focaccia that I've cut into squares, but you can use whatever bread you have. And I'm going to start my assembly. I'll use a little bit of butter and smear it on both sides. This is going to act as a barrier so that your sandwich doesn't get soggy while you're waiting to eat it for lunch. Next, I'm going to add some iceberg lettuce. You can use whatever type of lettuce is your favorite. I like iceberg for that extra little crisp crunch. I'll layer it with some sliced mozzarella cheese, and then the star of the show, our pesto chicken salad. Put the lid on top, and there it is, our pesto chicken salad sandwich.